our Ikea Run. They have cafe. We decided to eat first, and we got this. It's Swedish meatballs and what's this drink? So Nick told me to order these stuff because that's what he usually orders. But because this is my first time here, so. These are eating, and now we're gonna find for our cabinet for home. It's so overwhelming. It's just a lot of stuff here. What we're thinking of. This is actually a good thing, and it's just $59. This is a cute lamp, and it's just 19 bucks. Cute lamp, perfect. Oh, this is cute too. Everything's cute here. Oh, okay. This is a nice one. I love that. This is what we like, I think. I kind of like this one, but next time. Okay, we'll grab that one. So just gonna give you guys heads up. We're looking for table, like a TV shelves, where we can put our TV and have some little cabinets in there. So, and we're trying to save some space. So that's what we're looking for right now. And looks like we found some, but we're not sure if that's it. Kitchen. This is nice. Is that enough? Welcome to my office, by the way. Just kidding. I'm just laying around. So this is a good a bed frame, imagine. Ooh, I like this. Hello.
Okay.
Oh, I like this too. So you can have that bed frame, and then this cabinet, and then that
What do you think?
makeup area.
Should we just go with the bed frame?
Kitchen stuff. Yay. We got this. It's good. It's $99. That's a good price. These are lamps. Lamp area. So we found the furniture that we're gonna buy,
There it is.
and that's the TV shelf, and looks good. And we found the bed. It's right here. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is it.
Oh, it comes in
Yay.
2 packages.
Yeah. It's heavy.
Yeah.
Carry it because it's heavy. And I'm just holding the card. Yay! That's our furniture, our TV shelves, our TV table, the table for the lava. So we're done with the TV unit. It's right here. And now we're thinking of buying the bed frame with the cabinets under it, so it's like you're saving a lot of space, but we're not sure if it's gonna fit in our car, so we might just ask them to deliver it to us, but we'll see how big it is. Alright, so now we're done with our Ikea run. We just bought the TV unit. It's like TV shelves and stuff like that. And we decided to just get the bed frame next time because it's too big. And another thing, it's out of stock. So we'll try to see if it's gonna fit. Well, it has 2 boxes. One is the small one, and one is the huge one that Nick is carrying. And we'll see if it's gonna fit. Oh, we folded that. Oh, it's gonna fit. It fits! Yay! Hey guys, so that's it for today's vlog. We just went to Ikea. It's just an Ikea run on a Sunday. And yep, so that's it for today's vlog, guys. Sorry for the off lighting because it's almost sunset. Well, not really. Oh well. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you, and if you like this kind of vlog, like Ikea run, home stuff, home design and stuff like that, comment down below, so I'd probably keep on vlogging about it and, you know, show some improvements at home. And yeah, the furniture and stuff like that. And tell me like any suggestions that you think would be a good place to like shop furnitures and like good pricing too, so let me know. Also, I would definitely appreciate that too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right there and the notification bell so you would know if I post something. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Alright, see you guys on my next vlog. On my next vlog, I'm thinking of vlogging more of food stuff, so I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna let you know to follow me too in Instagram and Facebook, and also I have Twitter. I post on Twitter too sometimes. Well, it's Islandgirl_CHE. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye!